So hey there, this is Bobikins, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my IPSY for this month. This is a monthly makeup and beauty product subscription box that you can tailor to, like your skin tone, your preference, the shades, the colors that you like. And if you use, more skin products, more makeup, more brushes, that kind of thing. And they let you pick one of the items, and then they send you a couple extra ones with the box. So far I've done this for 2 months and I've had really great experiences, so I thought I would share this one with you guys. So here's the box. Discover yourself. I already cut the plastic. Really cute. First thing you get is the little card. It kind of talks about what you received. Don't forget the choice is yours. You get to choose one of your Glam Bag Plus products, and then we'll build the rest of the bag to complement your choices. So it's really accommodating, really sweet. I love pulling out the bag that talks about, I love pulling up the postcard from the bag that talks about the products and then going through them in order. Your 5 Glam Bag Plus products worth $120 are in place. It's honestly a really good deal. You get a lot of amazing items at a really great price. Let's see, the first thing on this is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. Ooh, so an exfoliator. Dr. Brandt, I've never used Dr. Brandt before. Okay, an exfoliating cream. Microdermabrasion. Renews skin radiance. Polishes and smooths. Love that. Probably a product I would use in the shower. Dampen skin with warm water. Massage onto your skin. Rinse well, yeah. Value $79. Oh my goodness. I mean, that doesn't surprise me. A soothing blend of jojoba, chamomile, and aloe vera help reduce redness. Wow, look at that glow. Yeah, love it. So, microdermabrasion, value $79. My goodness. The next thing on the list is Jolie Cosmetics Spectra Stick. Named after the French word for pretty, Jolie creates one-of-a-kind high-quality products that inspire confidence. Universally flattering rose quartz highlighter, micro glitter. Oh, adorable. So a highlighter with glitter. Ooh, I like that. Oh, it's just like bursting out of its box. Oh, interesting. See the shade there? Definitely has a nice shimmer. Really cute. I'm curious what... Oh! Oh, okay, I wondered about the size, but I guess it clicks in and clicks out. That's adorable. I was like, is this... like, it looks like a lipstick, but... it has like a click catch in there. That's great. I love that. Very pretty. You can see the shade. Oh, I should have used the back of my hand, but it's on the side of my thumb right there. Here. See the shimmer? It's a really good natural tone. That's really great for my skin tone too. I'm really excited. Alright, the next item is Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer Palette. Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer Palette. Inspired by New Orleans mysticism, makeup artist and founder Francelle Daly believes beauty is a connection to your inner magic. Ooh. Matte bronzers. I love matte bronzers. Easily blend and build to a natural sun-kissed glow. and double as eyeshadows. Symboling Suniva Aditya. Oof, probably butchering the pronunciations of those color tones. Oh, they are good natural tones. Oh, I love a good palette with a mirror, you know? I'm a huge fan. It's nice to see a good matte bronzer. Most bronzers these days are really like aggressively glittery or shimmery, and you know, while sometimes that's fun, I just want a light bronzer that I can put anywhere on my face. I don't want like a lot of glittery bronzer on my forehead, or you know, like this looks like really nice. Like the matte makes it really easy to work with. I'm a big fan of that. Just like it's a good range of tones. Anybody could use this, really. It's nice. I really like it. I'm not a makeup professional at all. I'm just speaking from personal experience. Okay, the last thing, oh no, second to last thing on the list is a Betty Boop by IPSY. That's So Betty eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love Betty Boop. Inspired by the iconic beauty muse Betty Boop, this IPSY exclusive eyeshadow palette is here to help you obsess over you with 8 buildable hues like shimmery champagne, powdery pink, and rich plum. Those are all like Betty colors. I love it. The velvety shadows glide onto your eyelids with ease. That's So Betty. Betty Boop times IPSY. Oh my gosh, I love this. If I can get the box open, I swear I'll have a good time. Champagne Shimmy, Quite the Coquette, Eye Candy, Jitterbug, Bee's Knees, Flip Your Lid, Dare to Bear, Up Past Midnight. Oh my god! Adorable. Here we go. Ooh, Betty Boop. Betty Boop. Eyeshadow. Gorgeous. Those are some good colors. I think I hit the space bar there. What were the Champagne Shimmy, Quite the Coquette, Eye Candy, Jitterbug. Is that the plum one? I can't tell. Bee's Knees.
Twitch. What is it?
Flip Your Lid. I think I'm reading them out of order.
It's also nothing.
I wonder. So Bee's Knees is this pink one? Flip Your Lid, Dare to Bear, Up Past Midnight. Okay, the only thing I know for certain is that this is Up Past Midnight and that this is Champagne Shimmy. You'd think Bee's Knees would be the gold one, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's no way. So Bee's Knees is either the silver one or this purple one. I guess I'm kind of bummed that I don't really know which specifically they are. Dare to Bear could be this purple. It's this one because it's bear. Okay, so it's going this way. Okay, so Quite the Coquette is this gold. Eye Candy is this one. Jitterbug is the purple one. And Bee's Knees is this pink one? I guess I'm taking it pretty literally. I feel like Bee's Knees might not be pink. The purple one is Flip Your Lid. Well, there you have it. I'm not trying to dissect this here. All really great colors. I totally would use. Super cute. I love Betty Boop. That is So Betty, and I'm a huge fan. Let me see. Last but certainly not least, f.a.r.a.h brushes Midnight Pro Trio. Hard to see with the reflection here. Perfectly balanced weight, comfort grips. Perfectly balanced weight, comfort grips, and a subtle midnight blue tint to the fibers. Ooh. Trio of brushes is an epitome of luxury, made by a team of beauty lovers. f.a.r.a.h brushes are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, expertly designed for flawless application. Oh my goodness. Oh, I forgot to go over the values. So Dr. Brent is valued at $79. The Spectra Stick is valued at $26. Lovecraft Beauty Palette valued at $30. Betty Boop Eyeshadow Palette valued at $30. f.a.r.a.h brushes valued $48. pretty accurate. Seems like if you go into like Ulta or Sephora or any beauty store, it sounds like kind of the price you pay for these types of items. Most palettes are at least $30. These are very beautiful. Let's see. Wow, you can see the blue tint. I don't know if you can't see, but I can on the brushes. They have like a grip here. It's very pretty. Oh, this one says cheeky end. 2 and 8 with the cheeky ends. A 3 stack. Oh, the handles are so soft. Oh my gosh. 20 FF straight, stippling 40 FM, cheeky end 2 and 8. Vegan, cruelty free, expertly designed. Not surprising. Use the 20 FF straight to buff foundation. So a foundation brush. Cheeky is for blush. Yikes, I don't use a lot of blush. And the stippling for highlighter or bronzer. Yeah, that makes sense. Based on the shape. Very beautiful. 3-brush trio brushes. So, oh, and something I thought was fun is they had discontinued giving out little makeup bags with, because they originally called them IPSY bags, but I guess nobody was using them or something because they stopped sending them. But last month they sent out a notice that said, last we answered, we're going to start including bags now. And here they sent a bag. It looks like it's themed after the Betty Boop palette. I love it. It's adorable. Little black zipper pull is a red heart. Sequins on one side. I wonder if this can all fit in here. Oh, I think it can. Oh no, the brushes might be a little long. Oh no. A little full, but if you're on the go, you're not taking all of this with you. And there you have it. That was my IPSY bag for the month of October 2019. Theme is based on Betty Boop. I absolutely adore it. I'm really excited to try this exfoliator. I love the colors in this eyeshadow palette. These brushes are so gorgeous. The Spectra stick seems like a great on-the-go highlighter stick. And I love a good matte bronzer. So, thank you so much for hanging out and watching the video. And tune in next month for my next IPSY unboxing. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye.